Okay, now we're going to go ahead and see how we can use a spreadsheet to import multiple questions, true or false, from Zondle, or I'm sorry, into Zondle. So like I said before, Internet Explorer generally works best when we're working with that. So let's go ahead and open Internet Explorer. Surprising, it's not always the best browser, but it does work well for this. And we'll go to Zondle.com, as we know. Waiting for you to open. We're going to go ahead and type in our username and our password. Mine's already saved, so you're good there. No, we'll deliver. We'll see it all. Why not? Alright, so if we want to go ahead and create a new topic, we can really name this topic anything. So we'll go ahead and call it anything. Anything. You can add tags if you want. Just, you know, whatever has to do with anything. And here we are to our create a game page. Okay, so we can go ahead and go to import right here. Import. Now when we want to import, we need to go ahead and download these templates to show, sorry, we're going to go ahead and download these templates, and that way we can import. So I'm going to open that. So that's going to open with Excel, hopefully. We're thinking. All right, we need to enable editing there. And, you know, let's see, let's think of a true or false question. Paris is in France. We'll just use what's on there. If we wanted to edit, we can edit that. So we want to write whatever we want as our true and false. We put our answers over here. We're not going to change anything in yellow, so we can go ahead and save that. I'll go ahead and just save it to my desktop so I can find it really easily. So, you know, we'll call it true or false Zondle. Anything's fine, whatever you can find it as. And then we just go to upload Excel file. Back to our Zondle window. Browse. So let's see, I put it in my desktops. Oh, car insurance. What? Desktop. True or false Zondle. Open. Upload. And that's what our questions will look like. So let's go ahead and import those. And then if we want to add more questions, we certainly can. Otherwise, we can just show some games. So it'll show our true and false questions in any of these games. So, you know, for example, if we wanted to look at this one. Alright, Spain is a town. Well, that's false, so we'll hit false right here. And Paris is in France. Let's see what happens if we get it wrong. If we hit false, it just tells us what happens there. And then it'll come again. Paris is in France. That is true. Paris is in France. That is true. So it has our score right there. We could replay if we wanted. And then again, just remember your students will be able to play this in any sort of background game that they would like, which is really what the cool thing is about Zondle. So start here. Oh, scary. And, you know, just example, we can play any sort of game. So, click on a game. Paris is in France. That's true. Pick another one. Oh, we got a little crazy guy. So, sorry, that's just an example on how you can use your games in sort of any area you may like. And, yep.